Okay.
Apple's first gen edition watches are obsolete. So they were available for anywhere from $10,000 to $17,000 with 18 karat gold cases. Now, as I recall, one of the most laughable things about them was that the 18 karat gold was a plating as opposed to an actual solid case. It was only available as part of their first gen Series 0 Apple Watch that was released in 2015, and they have officially been added to Apple's obsolete products list. These watches already stopped receiving OS updates way back in 2018, and now they will no longer be eligible for service or repairs from Apple's stores or authorized service providers. It is unclear how many gold edition watches Apple sold, but known purchasers include several celebrities such as Beyonce, Kanye West, is it Ye West now, I guess? I don't know. Ye?
I don't know. Don't pronounce it incorrectly. There's rules.
Katy Perry, or I mean Caddy, because that's not how Katie is spelled, and Drake.
And Drake.
No, that's Drake. That's pronounced like that. Can I just say LOL? Like this is, like called it.
That would be pronounced lol.
Even Apple, even Apple seems to have figured out how laughable it was to spend that kind of money on something that was not, to spend jewelry money on something that was going to receive consumer electronics product support and therefore have consumer electronics longevity. Who could have possibly seen this coming? What I didn't see coming was how quickly Apple would abandon that first generation product. They have, it's funny, I got called out for this recently and I forget what I was talking about. Maybe it was M1 MacBooks or something. Okay, there was like a hair that is like on my nose.
It's the worst crazy. Sometimes when they don't want to come off.
Yeah. I forget what product it was, but I was talking about some Apple product and I went, yeah, Apple has this history of launching a product line, treating the first set of users as basically expendable beta testers. Yeah, they're clearly enthusiasts who will just come back to us no matter how we treat them, not providing their overall really excellent level of software support to these people, and then everyone just kind of forgetting about it. Like I got called out for making that prediction, but I think that's a super valid prediction at this point. How many years of software updates did the first generation iPad get? Hold on. iPad generation. No.
I thought it was, or was it number two? There was some iPod. There's some iPad that lasted like forever.
The iPad 2 got support flippin' forever. Let me see if I can find there's like a timeline where you can see. Yeah. Here. Wikipedia, something. Oh, buddy, can you just? Okay, here we go.
Apple Vision.
So
apparently that's what you were talking about at the time.
Okay.
Whoa.
iPad first gen. Like what? And then iPad 2 got all these years of software support and like still worked for a very, very long time. And since then, it's been pretty good. Like we're getting, support. Oh, wait, no, hold on. No, this isn't support. Crap. This was how long it was on sale. So that's part of it, is that the iPad 2 was on sale for like 3 years. Dang it. No, that's not the chart I was looking for.
It's a weird chart too, to be honest.
Yeah, that is the kind of chart I'm looking for, except I'm looking for the
colors.
The software support version of that. Yeah, it's kind of like this, but for iPads. So you could see the 2007 iPhone. Yeah, that only got support for like 2 versions of iOS. And then you've got, all of a sudden you get into like, oh, okay, no, let's do 4 versions of iOS. Oh, you know what? I mean, screw it. Why don't we do like 5 for the 5S? So it really just, you can kind of get lucky with Apple, or you can get unlucky. And one of the ways to get unlucky is to be one of their most enthusiastic customers and buy a first generation product in a new category from them.
Or just by not staying up all night. That's an old reference.
What?
Don't know if anyone's going to get that. Do you get that, Dan? He wasn't paying attention. He has work to do.
Staying up all night?
Nobody knows what you're talking about. Explain like I'm 5.
It's the song from Pharrell.
From a what?
I'm up all night,
Stay up
to,
all
get
night
lucky.
to get lucky.
I'm up all night to get lucky.
Oh.
So it was a bad reference. I don't think anyone in the chat got it either.
Yeah.
People will know it now.
Absolutely terrible.
Yeah.
It was a Daft Punk collab, you heathen.
Yeah. But he's the one that says it.
Yeah.
What do you mean, you heathen?
You said it's a Pharrell song.
Oh, whatever.
This man's forgetting.
Hey, here we go. Thanks, Flip in chat.
Tomb Raider
who sent this
canceled.
over? Oh, of course it was Noki. So timestamp guy to the rescue. So first generation iPad. There you go. That's it. Second, wow. What the crap? I remember just marveling at how long that flipping thing got software support.
It was crazy.
And these days, it's like that too. Man, like that's wild. 1, 2, 3, 4,
That's
5,
good.
6, 7 versions of iOS on the 5th gen iPad. And so, yeah, it was bewildering to me that people were not believing me or like sort of challenging that. And I never said it will happen. I just said
It's a concern.
yeah, it's a major concern for me is that we might get kind of a half-baked first one. I don't think it was M Silicon, or maybe it was before launch, before we knew that it was actually good or something like that. Like I just was concerned about it. And so, it turned out to be a huge problem for anyone who ponied up $10,000 to $15,000 for a golden version of the Apple Watch. Good job, y'all.